Mike Hughes here. I'm at Heaven Saphir and the charter operation, and I'm here with Dimitri. And you want to tell us a little bit about oil diving the Red Sea?
Yeah, hi guys, and this is my boat, Heaven Saphir. This is a boutique Liveaboard for 18 people that are very comfortably accommodated in nine spacious cabins. And the Red Sea is one of the top dive destinations in the world, where you can find anything underwater. Like, I mean, literally anything from macro stuff, especially during the night dives, and regular coral life fish, because you know the Red Sea is part of Indo-Pacific system. We have lots of shipwrecks, and some of my itineraries are shipwreck expeditions, where every day you will see another shipwreck, some days maybe 2 or 3. We have sharks there, we have dolphins there. Dolphins are playful and used to the scuba divers, so you can spend really great time with dolphins.
There are dugongs, there are manatees there?
Yeah, there's a Red Sea manatee, it's called dugong. That's in the southern part of Egyptian Red Sea.
Okay. That's if they're a Marsa Alam and they're going down south.
Yeah. It's here at Abu Dhabi, where it is a grassy sea bottom, not deep, like about 15 meters or 45, 50 feet deep, grassy bottom, and in the morning we spot manatees there.
So you have a couple different itineraries that you typically go from Hurghada, which is up here, or they can go all the way down if they're going from Marsa Alam, all the way down to St. John's Reef, right at the border there. But you also do special trips on occasion up to, well, the Gulf of
Aqaba. Okay. Actually, it's more than a couple of itineraries. I'd say 14 or 15, I'm not sure even myself.
Okay, that's more than a dozen.
Yeah, because there are more than 100 dive sites that you can't cover in 1 week. And besides, from Sinai Peninsula to the southern border of Egypt, it's around 350 miles that you definitely cannot do within 1 week of scuba diving. So that we go out of Hurghada for northern trips, which are shipwreck expeditions, and Brothers and Deadless, which are shark expedition, are acceptable from Hurghada as well. And we also go out of Port Ghalib, which is 20 miles north of Marsalam, very close to Marsalam Airport. And we cater from there. We go to, again, Brothers, Deadless, Elphinstone, this spot with manatee, and more south all the way to the Sudanian border.
So it's quite a bit different topographies and underwater sites, from coral heads to soft corals, and then sand flats to grass flats, and then you've got some of the wrecks are, I mean, it's like the day they went down, you can still see the cars on them and the ammunition and stuff.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Come visit my site, you'll see some videos. With penetration to Tistelgorm, with jeeps there, military jeeps, Second World War, bikes, motorcycles, tanks.
You're welcome.
Missiles.
So so that goes to, if they want more information, they're going to go to, what's the .com again?
It is divesaphir.com, DIVESAPHIR.com. It's no, it's not here.
That's okay.
Yeah, it's
it's way down in the corner. I'm going to come over just real quick, and you can see it, divesaphir.com. Okay, I think we wrapped it up, Dimitri. Thank you very much.
Thank you.